Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and if you are looking for a non-traditional way to shampoo your hair, take it from me, you have got to check out these Bamboo Earth shampoo bars. These create this super rich, luxurious lather in my hair. My hair is quite fine, so it's really important to me that any shampoo I use cleans it really well, since any buildup can really weigh it down. These shampoo bars totally fit the bill. They get my hair squeaky clean without stripping it of moisture. Because of my hair's tendency to tangle, I still have to use a little bit of conditioner while using these shampoo bars, but I have to use much less now. They come in an excellent variety of scents, and I have to say that every single one smells so lovely. I am personally a big fan of the solid format. This is especially great for if I'm traveling and doing any kind of airplane travel and I don't want to take liquids with me. I have found that a shampoo bar lasts quite a long time, and I really love the fact that it saves room and clutter in my shower. My hair is so shiny and healthy looking after using these shampoo bars. These have absolutely everything I could want in a shampoo, and I am super pumped about the effect that they've had on my hair too. And that's my point of view.